Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 Ford Puma retains its signature sporty aesthetics, but with some notable updates that enhance its modern appeal. Up front, the bold grille features a new honeycomb pattern, paired with redesigned LED headlights that now incorporate Ford's signature C-clamp design. These lights aren't just stylish, they also improve visibility for nighttime driving. On the side, the Puma's aerodynamic silhouette continues to shine, with sculpted lines that flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear. The sporty stance is emphasized by newly designed 19-inch alloy wheels available in higher trims, and the optional two-tone paint scheme adds an extra layer of personalization. At the rear, you'll find updated taillights with dynamic indicators, a subtle roof spoiler, and a reworked bumper with integrated faux exhaust tips, giving the Puma a sporty yet elegant finish. And for 2025, Ford introduces two new colors, Solar Gold and Arctic Blue, which are sure to turn heads on the road. Moving inside, the 2025 Ford Puma is all about combining comfort with innovation. The cabin feels modern and upscale, thanks to high-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout. The seats, available in premium partial leather upholstery, are ergonomically designed for long journeys. Higher trims even offer massage functionality for the front seats, adding a touch of luxury to your daily commute. Tech enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The 2025 Ford Puma features Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system, displayed on a crisp 13.2-inch touchscreen. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air updates to keep your system fresh. For drivers, the fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster is customizable, displaying key information like navigation, speed, and hybrid system status. Another exciting addition is the optional head-up display, which projects crucial data directly onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Ford Puma offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of needs. The base model features a 1.0-liter EcoBoost petrol engine, producing 125 horsepower and offering excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, the 155 horsepower mild hybrid version of the EcoBoost engine delivers a spirited yet eco-friendly driving experience. Safety has always been a priority for Ford, and the 2025 Puma takes it to the next level with its Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assistance features. Here's what you can expect. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Lane keeping assist with gentle steering corrections. Blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic alert. Pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and Parking Assist 2.0, which can handle both parallel and perpendicular parking for you. So, there you have it, the 2025 Ford Puma. With its striking design, comfortable and tech-savvy interior, versatile performance options, and advanced safety features, this compact crossover is a true all-rounder. Whether you're navigating city streets or planning a weekend adventure, the Puma is ready to deliver. What do you think of the 2025 Ford Puma? Is it your next dream car? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel name for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.